Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Box Coins and welcome to the channel. Today is a World Coin Hunt and it's been designated World Coin Hunt number 62. We start the coin hunt off with two of exactly the same coins. They are both two rupiah coins from India. One is dated 2006 and the other one is dated 2008. The 2006 coin, just get my pointy stick out. The 2006 coin, which is this one here, neither of these have a mintage. This one here, the reverse shows a unity and diversity graphic from India, whereas the other two rupiah has the sign language valuation of 2. And on the reverse, they both have the Asuka lions, the name, the date, and the fact that it's India. Neither of these coins have a mintage. As I said, that one there is for the unity and diversity sign, I believe, from what I've gathered from the research I've done. The second one had the sign language for 2. And as I said, there is no mintage for those coins. Next coin shows Her Late Majesty Elizabeth II. It's a 10p new pence from 1968 and it's from the country of Jersey. On this side you have the Queen. On the reverse you have the Jersey coat of arms, the country name and the value. This old style 10 new pence has a mintage of 1,500,000. Next coin shows the Soa, so it's a French coin. On this side you have the Soa itself and the country. This is a 2 franc coin from 1979. On the reverse we have the year, the value, the oak and olive stems. The mintage for this 1979 2 franc coin from France is 130,040,511. Next coin is an aluminium coin and it's a 2 shilling coin from 1946 from Austria. On this side you have the country and the coat of arms. On the reverse side, you have the coat of arms, and then on the reverse side here we have the value, the year and grapevines and ears. The mintage for this 1946 coin is 10,082,000. Next coin is from Russia. It's a 5 ruble coin from 1997. On this side you have the coat of arms of the country and the country name. On the reverse we have the value of 5 rubles, and we have a vine stem of some description. As with a lot of Russian coins, there are no mintage figures available. Next we go to Singapore, and it's a $1 coin from 1995 and it's castellated around the outside rather than scalloped. On this side we have the country name, we have the coat of arms and the year. On the reverse we have a flower which is a periwinkle blossom, the value, and this castellated Singapore $1 coin from 1995 has a mintage of 65 million. And the last one in stack 1 of 3 stacks. This is King Baudouin the First. It is a 20 franc Belgian coin from 1982. On the reverse here, let's get it the right way up for you. We have the value, we have the country name, the year, and some olive branches. The mintage for this 1982 coin is 54 million units. Next stack. We start off with a slightly worn Indian coin. It's a 10 rupee coin from 2013. On this side we have the Ashoka lines in the centre of the bimetallic circles, and then on the reverse we have the value of 10, and you also have, oh, I think it's an Indian sign that means 10, although I can't be 100% sure. As with a lot of Indian coins, there's no mintage for these coins available. Next, we have another aluminium coin. This time it's from Poland from 1959, and it's a 5 zloty. On this side you have the eagle and the year, and a date of 5860 and 7174. These are the dates from which this coin was available. On the reverse, we have the value and a man at work, and the man at work is actually a fisherman. This is the second lowest mintage for this coin of 900,000 units. It was manufactured in 1958-59. I believe that's the way it's supposed to be. This coin is from Tunisia, and it's 100 millennium from 1997. On this side we have an Arabic inscription that I'm not 100% sure what it says. And on the other side we have the value of 100 millimeters with an Arabic design going around the outside. There's a lot of coins from Tunisia, Egypt, the northern parts of Africa. There doesn't seem to be a lot of actual mintage figures available. So this I believe is a common mintage. It's quite a common coin in Tunisia. Oops. This one's from Belgium, and it shows a helmeted miner on this side. It's a, I believe it is a French. The Belgian coins are split into two. They're either French or is it French or German, or French and Belgium? Flemish. It's from 1965. On this side, as I said, we have the miner's head and helmet, and on the other side we have the 50 centimes, the year, and the country name. The mintage for this particular coin is 10,320,000. Now there's a coat of arms that most people might recognise. We have an awful lot of them in the World Coin Hunts, or I have had a lot of them. This is a Cyprus coin, and it's either 5 cents or 5 mils from 1988. You've got the coat of arms, the country and the year on this side. And then on this side, I'm not sure whether it's a ram's head or a bull's head, from the Nicosia Museum. It's a copy of one that they've got there. It's an ancient drawing that came from somewhere within there that has been found actually in Cyprus. And the mintage for this 1988 coin is 5,060,000. This last coin in the second column of coins is from Malta, and it's a 25-cent coin from 1986. On this side we have the coat of arms, the country name and the year. And on the reverse side we have flowers and the value. Now the flower is an evergreen rose. Now 1986, the only year that of this design in this run was just this one year of 1986. It has a mintage of 3,090,000. However, they reinstated this design between 1991 and 2007, so you may find some coins with those dates on them with exactly the same design. And the last pile the first one is an aluminium coin, and it's from France, from 1948. On this side we have Marianne and the country name. On the reverse side we have the value of 1 franc. We have the year. I think there's a mint mark of B, but I'm not sure which that one is. There's certainly a B on there. And then we've got the cornucopia as part of the design. This 1948 coin from France has a mintage of 45,481,000. Wonder how many of them are still around. Next, we go to India. This is the second 10 rupee coin of this hunt. This one is from 2016, and it is far better condition than the original one that I showed earlier on. On this one we have it is bimetallic, and we have the country name, the Ashoka lions and the year. On the reverse we have the mintage, we have the value of the coin, which is 10 rupee. As with a lot of Indian coins, there is no mintage figures for this particular coin. The next one is from the Republic of France. It's a 10 French. It is a French 10 franc coin from 1989. As I said, it's a bimetallic coin. On this side we have the country name and a winged angel. This is known as the Spirit of Freedom. So I believe it's pronounced in France Génie de la Liberté. I apologise if I butchered that to the French. Génie de la Liberté. The mintage for this coin is 249,980,449 coins. That's quite a large mintage. Not as big as the Americans, but it's getting there. Next we go to Romania. We have a 50 money coin here from 2014. We have the country name, the coat of arms and the year. On the reverse we just have 50 money. There is no mintage figures available for this particular design of coin for this year. Last but one, preliminary coin is a bit worn, but it's a Philippine 5 peso coin from 1997. On here we have the country and the bank coat of arms. On the reverse we have the value of 5 peso, and we have the year, and we have a portrait of a gentleman, and that gentleman is Emilio again Dialabo, I think it is, or Cello or something like that. I do apologise to the Filipinos if I've butchered that name. There is no mintage figures available for this 5 peso coin. And the final coin of this hunt, yay, we go to Russia. It's a 1 ruble coin from 1998. On this side we have the country, the coat of arms, the country name and the year. On the reverse we have the value of 1 ruble and we have a flowering vine. Like with a lot of other Russian coins, there are no mintage figures available for this coin. I've now rebagged the coins, waiting for me to be able to flip them to put them into my collection. If you've enjoyed this hunt, could you please give me a thumbs up? If you have not done so, can you think about also subscribing to the channel? I met my target of 250 for 2023. I'm aiming for 425 by the end of 2024. For this I need your help. We're currently on the end of February. I think it's around about the 27th of February today. Let me just have a look. Sorry, 26th of February today, when I'm recording this. I do stand at around about 285 subscribers at this moment in time. So I do need your help to reach my target. If you believe I've deserved it, could you please hit the subscribe button? If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can find the ones you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching to the end and bye-bye. Ta-da now.